me finish
Going on a road trip.
Hey. Okay guys, we just made it to the Embassy Suites. Chose this place because it's breakfast included, and that's the most important meal of the day, so let's show you around. So luckily we got Baby C with us, otherwise we'd get lost in this huge hotel. Super cool pool here. It was like ambient lighting or something. Loved it. Really nice. Had like an outdoor indoor kind of feel, and had little waterfalls. Pretty neato, if I may say so myself. So we got settled in. It's our first night here, so it's kind of an impromptu visit. No itinerary, just the wind in our hair. We'll see what we do tomorrow. Enjoy the Baby C B-roll. So we've already got up to eat breakfast this morning. Forgot to record it, but super cozy place with this fire here in the lobby. Fun fact: there is a happy hour that happens every evening here at Embassy Suites. And anyways, we're off to eat more breakfast. So we were so happy to meet up with our niece here at the Barrels of Cracker for a brief breakfast, and then we headed out to the Science Museum. So the Natural Museum of Science has 4 levels of exhibits. Super awesome stuff. Even some interactive stuff that you see later on here. A lot of space stuff, hydraulics, all that good stuff. So on this day we kind of started kind of late, so it kind of wasn't worth it. But the admissions were ranged from $13 from general admission to $36 if you got the total experience. So I think it's pretty worth it. 4 levels of exhibits, worth it. We love these exhibits of the dinosaurs. It's so huge. I mean, the just comparison of your height to that, especially my height because I'm not even that tall. Super cool, super cool. And of course, hard to amuse this little guy here. He's given his age, of course, but he's just chilling. And so at this one spot, you can dance in this little VR thing, and it grabs your movement. So we had a little dance off, of course. And of course guys, if you guys like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It always helps us out. LOL. Alright, see you in the next one.